Hey friends, if you encounter the issue where search indexing has been temporarily paused in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now, whenever I form resolutions, I always think about the root cause. What can cause the search indexing service to stop? First of all, the service was stopped. The second thing is that a third party software might be impacting it, and the next cause could be if a virus or the malware has infected the system, thus impacting Windows search. So first of all, search for services in the Windows search bar and open services. Okay, now scroll down to the Windows search service. Okay, right click on it and then select restart or start if it is already stopped. The next solution is a clean boot. Search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the service is checked, click on disable all, apply, OK, and then restart the system. The last solution is to run a malware scan. Search for Windows Security in the Windows search bar and open Windows Security. Now go to the virus and threat protection tab on the list on the left hand side. Select scan options in the right pane. Select full scan and then click on scan now. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.